In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix your Samsung Galaxy device screen problem. I'll show you a few different methods to fix your screen color. First method, go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on display. Here, if you see this eye comfort shield is turned on, then you have to disable this option. And after turning off this option, you will see your screen is now normal. Now let's see the second option. And if you see this kind of color in your Samsung phone, let's see how to fix it. Go to your phone settings, scroll down in settings, select accessibility. In accessibility settings, select vision enhancements. And here you will find this color inversion option. Make sure to turn off this option. And also make sure to turn off color correction and color filters. And then go ahead and check your display color issue. And if you see this kind of grayed out color in your Samsung Galaxy device, let's see how to fix it. Go to your phone settings. This time tap on modes and routines. Here select modes. And if you see sleep focus is turned on, then tap on that and just turn off sleep focus. And your screen color will be fixed now. Thank you.